Hello students, this is your course on digital marketing basics. In this video on important terms in digital marketing, we will discuss the concept of metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is the data that describes all the other data on a website. It is used for providing descriptive or technical information about a resource and is therefore used for information retrieval and dissemination by search engines. This is exactly the reason why it is a very commonly used term in digital marketing context, and all digital marketing professionals are required to be aware of it, use it in their communication with their team, and be prepared to develop meta descriptions, metadata for whatever content they're putting on their website. Now, metadata is not something that is a summation or a summary of sorts for the entire website. Each web page can have a separate metadata. And the purpose here is basically to allow search engine crawlers to be able to analyze and, of course, index your page in a faster manner, retrieve whatever information is available on your website on different web pages easily, process it, and then of course disseminate it across the search engine as per the user's search requests. Rightly worded metadata can aid crawlers in indexing and ranking. Therefore, it contributes very heavily towards search engine optimization. And this is also the reason that while developing content for website with the vendors, you have to communicate that what is your requirement for metadata design as well. Although a lot of the times metadata entries are made by the designers, the content definitely comes from the content writer. So in a digital marketing team, designers, developers, and content writers, as well as the SEO executives, sort of collaborate to design the perfect metadata for every web page. So there could be separate strategies which are used, keyword strength which is used, as well as the word tone and the exact wording is also dependent on the brand strategy to define the metadata. As you can see here in the example given over here, metadata can generally have distinguishers, can have information like the title, the author name, a brief summary, which could be maybe up to 160 characters, and then the publisher details. Now, in this particular example over here, the metadata gives you information about the publishing site, which is the New York Times. Then it gives you the title, which is Parade of Stars and Fans for Houston's Funeral. It gives you the author's name. It gives you a brief summary so that for a search engine, it's easy to understand what the page is all about. And then it also gives you the source from where this information has been fetched, that is nytimes.com. So this is a good representation of a cleanly designed metadata, which helps search engine crawlers to understand what the page is about and give it proper indexing as well as proper ranking in the search engine result pages. And that is the significance of metadata in digital marketing. Now, in the next video, we'll discuss a little bit in detail that in metadata, what exactly is meta description and what role does it play in digital marketing and content writing context. Until then, thank you.